Hello, welcome to our channel again. In this video, I am going to share with you a very good course related to networking, and this is developed or distributed by Cisco. Cisco is a very known company and they are in the market pretty long time. Recently, they offered a free course based on networking basics. And here you are seeing this is the course. This course is the part of this path, career path, network technician. And if anybody wants to start their career from the beginning, they must have to understand the basics of networking, and this course is just the course anybody can start learning without any hesitation. And this course is delivered by Cisco. They have two options. One is self-paced online, that means you will study by your own choice and your own time, and the other one is instructor based, that means there will be instructor and you will learn with them. So these are the two offers, and for self-paced this is completely free. And if you don't want to think to search other courses, don't do, just start learning from here. I am telling you, this is one of the best course in the entire world right now so far I saw. And the course is designed in such a way that you will learn everything very quickly. Everything means only related to network basics. You can learn and understand very easily. This is a free course which I already told you, and this course is not short course like 1 hour or 20 minutes or 3 hours. It's 22 hours. That means you will get enough time to learn, study and practice everything. And this is completely beginner friendly. A little bit computer knowledge is enough to start this course. You don't need to be an expert, or you don't need a CSE degree or computer science degree, that means to complete this course or to start this course. And it has pretty much a lot of labs. Right now it has 13 labs. And the good thing is this self-paced, that means you will learn, you will teach yourself by your own free time. So anytime you can learn from this site. To enroll this thing, there is a button, get started with self-paced. You just need to click here and then you have to enroll for this course. And here you are seeing it already has 758,000 students already enrolled. So if this many students they enroll this course, so definitely it is not a regular course, or not a short course, or not a like bad course. Definitely it's very good course. And multiple languages are supported by this course. That means this course is available with these 7 or 8 languages. I started this course in English language, and the content which I found is really attractive. And here it gives us an overview about this course. They mention the internet is built on computer networks. So no matter what kind of tech career you are interested, it is essential to know some of the networking basics. That means this is really a good course for you to learn the networking related stuff. And why it is like important, it already mentioned over there. See, the course content is so much designed, nice way it is designed. The overview is so nice, I liked it. And there is another tab, it is called curriculum. If you click here, you will find all the curriculum of this course. That means what you will learn from this course. It has like 12 modules, 17 modules, and there is another 2 section. There are a couple of modules are there for each of the items. Like for example, communication and connected worlds. It describes the introduction related stuff, how the networks are connected and what are the types of networks, something like that. So here are the contents, and then in this way all the modules are structured. I'm not going to tell you the details about this module. You can learn by yourself by coming to this page, and then you can click here, it will be expanded, and from here you can check. And here there is another section, skills you will learn. What are the skills you will learn from this course? Like network media, then application layer services, network type, IP4 version addresses, wireless access, protocol standards, and so many things. It just lists couple of things. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can see opportunity is knocking. It is showing like it's time to open the door, and you can start your course from here also. And this is the footer. There is not that much important information is there. And here there is another line you can read and understand. Start learning the basics of computer networking and discover how network operates. That means this course is fully designed for network basics. But now you are thinking how we can access this course. What is the URL? Yes, the URL for this course, you must definitely go through Cisco. Cisco is offering this course, but the URL can be accessed from here. I'm going to show you the URL. So this is the actual URL, which is pretty long URL, but don't worry, I will actually copy this URL and I will paste it inside the video description. That means you can easily jump to this course from this URL directly from the video description. If you want to learn more about networking basics, just go to the video description of this video, and then there you will find this link to join. Right now this course is free, and I am adding this course link on the video description. In future, if Cisco is not offering this course, or if the course link is invalid, then you might see that the link is not working. So at that time, don't ask me why I put this information. As of today, it is active and Cisco is offering freely. That's why I'm going to add this thing. But in future, if the link is not working, then you can ask in the comment section, is there something relevant to this? Then I can also search and provide you that. But I cannot, or I am not responsible, or I am not actually getting any commission from Cisco to tell you about this course. So that's it, guys. Happy learning. You can learn the networking basics within 22 hours of this course. Thank you for watching the video.